Mommy said that I have to work for my refrigerator, meaning that I have to constantly spit out YouTube videos. Sorry for the glare, the sun, it's setting. So, I'm going to Lowe's to go look at the refrigerator I want, so that it's like a vision board. So I see what I'm working towards and price it out so that I know exactly how much I need to make in order to get my refrigerator. So that's why we're here at Lowe's.
Down and drink.
Come push the car. I can't push and record. Oh, what are these? Onions?
Onion.
And flour. Sit, mommy. We gotta move. We're moving.
We're moving, Maddie. We're moving.
Sit.
She's
Sit
holding
down.
on. Like, I gotta hold down.
So we're going into the, what is this? The garden center?
Yeah.
Because we need ideas for the backyard. So we don't have any seating in our backyard. This is nice. Oh, that's not bad. This is not bad. Even the seating, it's not bad. Look at that, $35. This is nice. I like this. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. This is what I want. Either this guy or that guy right there. What do you think? This one? You like this one? I love the
You can pause this one.
yeah. This is more money. This is almost 1,000.
You can hang lights on it.
This is $900 and stuff. Oh, this is, I told you guys what I wanted already. This little swing. Look, honey. Look at the swing.
That is so cute. That
I want a swing. So,
Sorry, Maddie.
I like the, they have some really nice stuff for outdoor.
Or it'll just break.
I like that. That's really pretty.
Feels so nice.
Don't it?
Grandma,
In the backyard. I like it.
Looking at us and like, oh.
$298. Not bad. And I like it.
This is a dream.
Right, guys? You guys have a swing in your backyard? In the summertime, yes, with a book, while Daddy grill outside, dreams. And then they have fireplaces. We have a fire pit in our backyard already, so. You see how high this is? But that has a top and stuff. Ooh, I like these chairs for the fire pit. For our fire pit, I like these. That way, you can sit, and they're only $18. By the fire, sitting by the fireside. I like them. For the fire, the fireplace. Oh yeah. What do you think? $17? Which color? I like this color. I like this color. The teal. I like that.
This is like a take picture bed.
It's really nice, guys. They have some really nice stuff. You like this one over this one? I like the color of this guy versus this. I don't know if they have that color in this one.
No, I like this. Plus, this is good for when we.
This has the same. That one has the same too.
Yeah. You split your stuff, lock it,
and it's just shy, like 100 over my budget.
Mommy, but this one doesn't set.
Yeah, but this one's has a big iPad in the front.
We can stick an iPad on any of these basic fridge.
So
How?
This has more potential of going bad than any other fridge.
no, that's alright.
Why, you like the iPad?
No, I like the fridge. I like the twin metal cool. I like the metal. You see the metal in the back?
This is why I don't like it with refrigerators, is that the ice takes up a big chunk of the refrigerator. But
you see the twin and
the twin metal cooling. So my biggest problem with a refrigerator is that I need something for kids' snack. So this has, watch out, Maddie. Watch out, baby. Oh, I can see this being a problem right now, this minute, and it's not even out the store. Can you see her coming over here and playing with this? Okay, so this would be perfect for the snack for school. And I think this is a big enough freezer for all of our meals.
Okay,
and then
die. What up?
Excuse me, honey.
Grocery.
This is a decent size for condiments, and then this takes up a good portion. And then here, so you have a spot for your milk, and then other stuff. These are a bit small for our family. I feel like we're gonna run out of space. And I'm not a fan of whatever that is. I'm not sitting around playing on my refrigerator. I need it to cool my food. So I don't really care for that.
This one does have this.
I love this because of it's the same thing as over there. These are much bigger, I believe. Yes. No, or they're the same size. I feel like they're the same size. Yeah. Except one has, and then the door open like that, and you get to see what's in the fridge. This slides out. I love this guy. What do you think? Cause I'm not standing around playing on my refrigerator, so I don't care for that feature over there. It doesn't do. And then this has the.
Put it back. Put it back.
This has the second drawer for the kids' snack, so that they can grab their snack. It's not taking up room. And this is the same as over there in terms of freezer size for our family.
Put it back.
So, and I love this color
Put it back.
versus just the stainless steel.
It is nice. I like this one. Get this one. Pay for this one.
And the price is $100 less than my budget. So now this bad boy over here is another. I don't know why. I like it though. So you picked your fridge, and this is the Samsung showcase.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Samsung showcase.
Maddie.
But look, the handle's missed. The handle came off. Is that an indication that we need that?
There's a lot of people.
We have a lot of kids.
Yeah, but it's fine.
Okay, so now we're picking storm doors
I like this one.
for our front door. It's a toss-up between this guy
Guys, I
right
think
here.
I found my refrigerator.
So it has that little piece
It's
right
so
here.
beautiful.
You're
You
able
guys
to
like
let
it? Yes or
fresh
no?
air in. And then this guy is just 2 pieces, and it's either black or white. I like the black because our door is black, but we also have white trim on our house. So, and I like this guy because there's no division, but you're not able to let any air in the house. So, and it's so much. That's $216. This guy is $298, not counting the handles. And I like the handle on this guy, but black. You open the door, you have this, but those are pretty, but I think they're more money. What do you think?
Yeah, this one's real. I like this one.
Are you able to let Aaron?
It says choose me for seasonal rental.
I'm home now.
Door open. And you can operate them. Oh, look at that. Are you able to let in air?
No. Not for the front door.
I don't want all that in the front of my house.
No, not for the front door. That's too much.
Like, why do they have blinds on their front door?
Yeah. The reason I like these is because of the design.
But it's also nice when you want to open your door. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's really pretty. I like the red.
Yeah, I like the red.
Can you imagine the red on our black door with white trim?
That would look
That's
good.
really pretty.
With the green?
What green? We don't have any green. Yeah.
The greenhouse? We have a greenhouse.
We don't have a greenhouse.
What color is our house?
Gray.
Oh.
But I like the red door. But they do have red on here.
Yeah.
Right here. Ew, no, I don't want cranberry. That's not red? Guys, please tell me that's not red. That is red.
Cranberry.
Cranberry? Oh, no. I don't want no cranberry.
Did you do a curved or straight handle?
Straight.
I like straight.
It's we're just leaving Lowe's. Nighttime, we're just leaving Lowe's. We're gonna go pick up dinner and then head back home. But so far so good. We're finalizing the details. Like for us, if you guys don't know us, we don't like to make big purchases on a whim. We like to do our research and then make the right purchase, because yeah, we don't have money to be wasting like that. So we zoned in on the areas that needs improvement, and little by little, right, hubby? Anyways, we're gonna go to Walmart and pick up dinner, so I'll catch you guys there. Daddy said 1 or 2?
2.
Alright. Go.
Sorry not to hit anyone.
Almond.
Mommy, those Chinese chicken look so good. Are the Chinese?
Just like that, dinner's done for the night. Oh my god. Now I gotta find hubby. Where is he? I think he parked.
Mommy, what do you do?
Come on. Bring the cart. We're gonna leave it right here. So. Down. Here. What's the bag? Let's take this car. Cause we don't need it. So yeah, dinner's done. I paid 20 bucks for dinner.
I'm excited.
I got you chicken.
I'm excited. More chicken.
I got you 2 chicken. I couldn't tell what flavor they were. I just got chicken. But anyways, we're gonna head home right now to go feed the big boys. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So dinner was good. We're home. And I needed an ending for the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's hard to get used to this phone thing, but we're going to bed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. What? You just wearing this shirt in the video? Okay, I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.